Today I want to tell you a little bit about the contact way for project setup and site protection. Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So in this particular project, we're doing a full window and door package. And one step we take before we start work is to protect the existing surfaces of your home. So this is quite an extensive process for us where we'll come in and protect all the floors. In this case, we have a beautiful hardwood floor. We don't want to see any damage to the surface while we work. And also, a common practice would be to use drop sheets, but they can be slippery and can be hazardous for our team as they're carrying heavy windows and materials throughout the home. So we found that this self-adhesive foam protector, far better. It is waterproof as well in case there is any paint that happens to get knocked over. Really going the extra mile to protect your home. We also, in this particular project, are significantly enlarging the size of the patio door opening. So we have some demolition in this house. So we've set up a polywall system to help keep the dust from spreading throughout the home. So in total, with a house like this, we're looking at probably 6 to 8 hours of labor that goes into protecting the home, in addition to some materials for protection. So it does add a cost to the quoted price, but in the end, it helps to mitigate potential for damages to the home. And really, we're putting the client's needs first by making sure there's no headaches that come with this. So when comparing your quotes apples to apples, just make sure that everyone is covering your bases the same way. I'll give you a little tour to the front here. So as you can see, we have protection throughout the hallway, and really it's just a matter of determining where will the traffic flow be within the home and what can you do to make sure there's no damage, whether it's to furniture, around the windows, or the floor surfaces and other items around the house. So if you have any questions, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great day.